Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sitan Ataristian, and now I will explain about the functions of oral language. Okay, the table of content. We have 4 points of the function of oral language. The first is description. The second is holidays, function of oral language. The third is talk as process and as a performance. And the fourth is register or field, tenor, and mode. The first, the description. What is a oral language? Oral language is a language that said by a person in a conversation. Oral language also no. Oral language oral language okay. Oral language can be basic, can be a basic for okay. Oral language can be a basic for developing our literature, and also can make easy our communication. Okay. The next is holidays function of oral language. This point we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point. The first point is instrumental. Instrumental is a function that explain about what we need in oral language. This function have a function to identify things, to seek and provide information, to request assistance. We can find this function or this instrumental in problem solving, in gathering materials, or in role playing. Okay, and the second is personal function. Personal function is a function that explain about our individuality or our personality or ourselves. This function have function to elaborate and give detailed account of experience, to express and respond to ideas and opinions, and then to express agreement and disagreement, and then to seek, give, and deny permission to do something, and then to express approval or disapproval for a service provided. We can found this function or personal function is in making feeling public, or in interacting with others, or in interest talks. Okay, and the third is interactional function. Interactional function is explained to interact a group activity. This function have function to greet or welcome people, or to meet or introduce people, to take leave of somebody, to attract attention, to congratulate, or to explore challenging ideas, to interrupt appropriately, or to negotiate with others. We can find this function or interactional function is in structured play, in dialogue, and discussion, in talking in group, or in substantive conversation, in role plays, and in scenarios. The next one is regulatory function. Regulatory function is about instruction, give information about instruction. This function have a function to give information or correct factual information, to persuade others, to give specific logical instruction in a variety of contexts for different audience. Okay, we can find a regulatory in making rules in game, in giving instruction, in teaching as a teacher, and in constructing persuasive text. The next one is representational function. Representational function is about common function, or giving of information of something. We can this function have a function to tell about the real world, to express a preposition, to report about things using description or narrative, and to convey message. We can find the representational function in oral reports, class meeting, debate, procedure, in radio script. Okay, and the next one is heuristic function. Heuristic function is about asking a reason or information. This function can have a function use a range of questions to respond to question appropriately, to select the most effective type of question to get the required information, and then to express and find out intellectual ideas. And the last one is to hypothesis and experiment. We can find the heuristic in question and answer routine, in inquiry and research, in discussion, in interview or exploratory talk. The last one is imaginative. Yes, well, we often listen about this. Imaginative is about make a new word for better condition. Like we build our word for better our condition in a event. This function have a function to perform, to reside, and to perpetrate. Okay, we can find this function in storage and dramatization, or rhythm on poems or riddles, right? Okay, next is about talk as process and talk as movement. I will explain the point, just the point, right? For example, talk as process. We can find this talk in collaborative problem solving, joint text construction, class discussion, individual writing conference, brainstorming and listing, and then giving direction, and then construction activities, or board game, or writers circle. And then talk as a performance we can find in morning news, sport report, debating, telling jokes and anecdote, dramatic presentation, storytelling, and thanking a guest speaker. Okay, and the point between talk as process and talk as performance is about differences of them. The differences of them is different. Not differences, but different. The difference of them is about talk as process is in non-formal oral language, and talk as performance is in formal of oral language. Okay, and the last one is register. Register is language research that refers to differences of formal, informal, social, and educational situation. Okay, and register have 3 points that are field, tenor, and mode. Okay, we start from field. Field refers to who or what is being talked about. This progression requires access to a specialized vocabulary, to ways of thinking such as cause and effect, and constructive relationship, clarifying or checking understanding, and to the kind of language used to discuss language and literacy. Okay, field is explain about something, what we talk about, and who we talk, who, what, no, with who we talk about. Okay, and the second one is tenor. Tenor is a relationship between the speaker and listener. For example, a student at school, students have to learn to be a member of large group and to work collaboratively with others. Acquiring these skills means learning the language of negotiation. Yes, tenor is about relationship between the speaker and listener. The relationship is about we can choose formal or non-formal. Okay, and the last one is mode. Mode is the type of text being produced at school, Students engage in spoken language activity that range from familiar embedded activities. Okay, what is like implementation or application of oral language that we have write it down in some 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 text or some paper example. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. That's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.